Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper. Zena the Glamper Camper is just hanging out in the living room. I just filmed another Temu haul. You'll definitely have to check out that video. I'll have it posted down below in the description. But I just had this crazy idea. Me and Zena went on a walk earlier, and there is like a TV stand thing that's a little bit down the street, and it says free on it. I don't know about you, but me, if I see something free, I mean, it's just hard to pass it up, okay? And if it's bad, you can just throw it away. So I have this crazy idea to go get it and put it on that wall right there. This is our bigger guest room in our house. I was thinking about putting it on that wall right there just to kind of organize a bunch of the stuff. I mean, I have a whole bunch of junk in this guest room, and it would be nice to kind of get a way to organize it. So let's go see if it's heavy. I don't know, it might be too heavy to bring here, but let's go try to get it. Let's go get it. Got it home. It's hit the nicest thing ever. No, parts of it are a little peely, but I mean, it was free. And my plans for this is I'd really like to turn it into like our like camping backup. Like we have some emergency food. I want to see the kayaks that I reviewed. They are kind of awkward to store, so I'm going to see if maybe I can stack them on here somehow. But yeah, first I am just going to clean it up. Well, welcome to camping backstock. So after I initially cleaned this with wood cleaner, I also cleaned it with this, I know it's for carpet, but this smell and stain pet remover, just in case parts of it did smell a little bit like cat, mainly just like that corner, but I think I got all of it out. So now we've just got it stocked up. Obviously, eventually there's going to be more on this, but I really just wanted to be able to get all of our camping stuff in one spot. So on the top, those 3 totes are all of the pieces to both of our Tobin Sports inflatable kayaks. So in here we have the pumps and the oars, and then in those 2 bins we have the actual inflatable kayak part. Zena, what do you think about our little backstock over here? Then we've got our emergency food right here. We've got a couple ReadyWise emergency food kits. And then I've got this ReadyWise adventure meal. This is the ReadyWise emergency food supply. It has 150 servings, 25-year shelf life. That means until like you open it. Once you open it, it will expire faster. But so we have that right here. Then on the other side of where like normally a TV would go, we have water. Every time water's on sale, I always buy a bunch. Like the Arrowhead water at Safeway, normally every time it's on sale, you have to buy 3 or 4 to get the sale price. So they'll do like 4 for $12. So then I'll buy 4. I've also got some water from Sprouts. Then Mr. Cameraman got these a while ago. These are Life straws. We got these at Costco. So I've just got those chilling. Then on the side cupboardy looking part, I have our camper games. We have tic-tac-toss, and then we have bocce ball. So I thought that was a nice little spot for those. Right under those, I have reusable, I mean not reusable, but I reuse them. Just plastic grocery bags. I use these as trash bags in the camper. So now those have a spot. Down here we have a hiking water backpack thing that we never ever use, but Mr. Cameraman doesn't want to get rid of it. We've got that. Right under there is the cover for the Traeger. And I'm actually going to move it over here with the other Traeger stuff. My Traeger came with some extra pieces. So just in case we ever want to take those, I really honestly can't remember what this is for. But if we ever need this, I want it to be right here. And then there is the travel carrier for the Traeger. Right here we have an inflatable mattress. And then down on the bottom is just like this, we never use. This stuff we never ever use. We used to have a grill. I don't know if you ever saw any of our videos using that little tabletop grill. It used to use these little containers of propane. And then this is actually an insert in our fridge that's in the camper. And it just annoys the crud out of me. I think it's totally worthless. So a long time ago, I brought it home and I've never put it back in the camper. Look at how cute Zena is. But yeah, overall, I'm really happy with this project. Obviously, now I have to organize the rest of the room. But this, I'm pretty sure, is all of our like camping outdoorsy stuff. I also have more. It's by this brand called Augustin Farm. Emergency food. It's like dehydrated food. I have it in the kitchen. And that's because I actually cook with it like at home. So if I ever get more of that, I'll probably be putting that in here. But overall, I just think it's a good idea to kind of make sure that you know where all of your stuff is. Make sure that you have enough stuff. And there's also some more emergency food kits I would like to get at Sam's Club. Eventually, I am going to do a video of eating just one of those for however long it says you can eat it and see if I like it, see if it's good. And then, like I said, I'm always buying more water. Normally on a camping trip, we go through at least an entire 24-pack, sometimes 2. Not 2 entire ones, but sometimes almost 2, especially if Kathy is coming with us, Mr. Cameraman's mom. But yeah, that was our little cooking camper project for the day. I do really like these games too. Check them out at Kohl's. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Definitely have kind of a plan or some organization for an emergency or for just camping in general. And get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye.